Lung 6 is located on the underside of your forearm. To locate lung 6, find the spot that is just on the outside of your elbow. Then move your finger towards your body till it meets the tendon, like this. Here's the outside of the elbow, moving towards the body, and we meet a tendon right over here. Now find the point that is the width of one hand below that, right here. And now find the point that is the width of one thumb below that, right over here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is lung 6. Activate this point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times, take a break for a count of 5, and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have an acupressure instrument called a Tei Shin, it might look like this. And here's another view. Now find and activate lung 6 on your other arm.